only place. I got to widen out and show you. The illegal fireworks celebrations here are really getting underway. This is just one little sliver of South LA. There you can see LAPD's helicopter. Look at how high they had to get, but it's really, really crazy, all of the fireworks that we see here on the 4th of July. So LAPD definitely going to have their hands full tonight. They're trying to break up, for now at least, this one little block party here on McKinley Street. Susie and Juan, back to you in the studio.